to determinant chapter, and in this video we will study minor and cofactor. Before going to the minor and cofactor, let's know some knowledge. Look, this is an example of determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Any determinant can be denoted as this is called delta. This is called delta. Okay, and elements of determinant expressed as Aij, where I is called number of row and j is called number of column. So I is called number of row and j is called number of column. Means any element of determinant expressed as Aij. What is that element? Elements are these are. Elements are any real number or complex number. That means elements are any real number or complex number. These are the elements, and any elements of determinant can be expressed as Aij, and determinant can be expressed as this was delta. This was delta. Okay. Let's study what is the order of determinant. Look, order of determinant is number of row or number of column, because here number of row is equal to number of column, so number of row or number of column is the order of the determinant. So this is the order 3. Yeah, this is the order is here order is 3. So the determinant, now what do we study in this cutting? What is determinant? A determinant can be denoted as delta, and these are the elements, and these elements in generally can be expressed as Aij, and what is the I and j? I is the number of row and j is the number of column, and elements are, it may be real number or complex number. Now how can we obtain a minor? In exam point of view, this is very important. And how can we obtain the minor? Very simple way. I will explain to you what is the minor. Minor is the minor of any element of determinant is obtained by deleting the row and column element in which given element is occurred. Means जो एलिमेंट का आप लोग माइनर निकालना चाहते हो, वो एलिमेंट जो भी रो और कॉलम में प्रेजेंट है, वो रो और कॉलम एलिमेंट को तुम लोग क्या करना है, उसको लीव करना है, लेफ्ट करना है, बाकी जो रिमेन रहेगा वही हमारा माइनर है. एंड हाउ कैन दिस बी पॉसिबल? आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय दिस एग्जांपल. लुक, minor of any element Aij is denoted as Mij, where I is the row and j is the column. Okay, look, I am giving you the example, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now you have to find out the minor of each and every element. First one, minor of A11, that is M11 is equal to, now what I am telling you, now if you find the minor of A11, that means you have to forget the row element and column element. this element and this element you have to totally भूल जाना है. तुम लोग को क्या करना है, टोटल भूल जाना है. दिस रो एंड कॉलम एलिमेंट को भूल जाना है. बाकी जो चार ठो एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है, नाउ यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस वे. दिस चार ठो एलिमेंट you write A22, A23, A32, A33. This is the minor of A11. Now minor of A12, that is called M12. Now you write. Now you have to forget this row element and this column element. Now remaining is write this one, this one, this one, and this one. A21, A23, A31, and A32. Now write A13, that is M13. Now you have to forget this row element, this column element, and this row element. Now write this one, this one, this one, this one. A21, A22, A31, A33. Like that, you write all these element of total 9 element. You can write the minor of each and every element. Only a thing you have to remember is that जो भी एलिमेंट का आप लोग माइनर निकालोगे, उसी एलिमेंट का रो और कॉलम एलिमेंट को टोटल भूल जाओ. बाकी जो एलिमेंट बचता है उसको सीधा लिखना है जो तुम्हारा माइनर है. तो माइनर निकालना इससे ज्यादा आसान तरीका और कुछ नहीं है. वेरी इजी है and it is very required for determining the cofactor. Now minor of A21. A21 is equal to M21. M21 means A21 you have to forget this row, this column. Okay. Now you write this one, this one, this one, this one. A12, A13, A32, A33. Okay. A12, A13, A32, A33. Now minor of A22, that is M22, is equal to M22. M22 means this one. Then M22 is you have to forget this row and this column. Okay, this row you have to forget this row and this column. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. A11, A13, A31, A33. Now minor of A23, M23. M23 means you have to forget this row and this column. You have to forget this row and this column. So 1 2 3 4, A11, A12, A31, A32, like that you can write. Stop it. देखिए तो क्या now minor of A31 is M31. M31 means this one you have to forward this. Now you write A12, A13, A22, A23. Now if you write minor of A32 means you have to forward this. Now A1, A11, A13, A21, A33. Now you have to write, if you write minor of A33, then that is M33. M33 means you have to forward this and this. A11, A12, A21, A22. This one is very easy process to find out minor. Let's know what is cofactor. Now we study what is the cofactor. Cofactor is also very easy thing. What is cofactor? Cofactor is it is the minor of appropriate sign. It is the minor of appropriate sign. What is an appropriate sign? We study later. Now it is denoted as Cij. Cij means any cofactor of any element, that is the element, if the element is Aij. Now the cofactor of Aij element is Cij. Cofactor of Aij element is Cij. That means what is that Cij? You write Cij equal to appropriate sign of minor, and that is termed as Cij is equal to -1 whole to the power I plus j into Mij. That Mij is the minor of Aij. So what is the duty to, what is the way to find out the cofactor? Simply you find out the minor, then add sign. Nothing else is there. So what is the step? Step is number 1 is find out the minor. Now then add the appropriate sign. Now what is that appropriate sign? Now we'll study. I am giving you a simple way. This is the order 3 determinant, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the determinant, and look, this A1 its minor is M11, and what is the appropriate sign? Here I and J are the rows and column. For A11, what is the I? I is 1. If you find out the cofactor of A11, that means that is equal to C11. What is C11? -1 whole to the power I plus a 1 plus 1 and M11. That means 1 plus 1 is 2 and M1, and -1 to the power 2 means that is positive. So M11 is positive. Then what is the cofactor of next element A12? That is C12 and -1 to the power 1 plus 2 and M12, and -1 1 plus 2 3 and -1 whole to the power 3 is minus, and that is equal -1 2. Like that you can find out its sign, its sign, its sign, its sign, its sign, its sign, its sign. And internally I am giving you a simple way to find out the appropriate sign, that is for this one the sign is plus, this is minus, this is plus, next is minus plus minus plus, plus minus plus minus plus minus, and plus minus, that is plus minus plus. Here is प्लस इज प्रीवियसली, सो प्लस देन माइनस, माइनस के बाद क्या है प्लस, नेक्स्ट प्लस के बाद है क्या है माइनस है, माइनस के बाद क्या है प्लस है, लाइक दैट, प्लस के बाद क्या है माइनस है, एंड दैट इज आल्सो प्लस, एंड हियर माइनस है, सो दिस इज आल्सो प्लस, सो माइनस प्लस माइनस, प्लस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस प्लस, माइनस प्लस माइनस, this is the totally appropriate sign of each and every element. So you can write the cofactor using this simple way. Only if you write the cofactor of A11, that means you write C11 is equal to plus, because I am giving this one the sign of plus, plus M11. If I write the cofactor of A12, you write C12 is equal to minus A12. If you write the cofactor of A31, let A31 is equal to C31, and you write very simple way, 31 is plus, so plus M31. So you can write this way or this way, and I think probably this is very simple way for you. Next I am giving you example, simple example, and you can understand very easy. Now look this example. This is 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 3 1. This is three order and determinant, and the question is find the cofactor. How can you find the cofactor? First thing is cofactor of A1. A1 is this one, this is, and A1 the element is 1 and its sign is plus. So plus A1 is the minor. How can you get the minor? You delete the row and this column. Then 1 2 and 3 1. 1 2 3 1. Now find the answer. You have to multiply this 1 and 1 and multiply this 2 and 3. This is equal to 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Then look, A12, cofactor of A12 means this is A12, and you delete this row and column element, then 2 2 1 1, 2 2 1 1 is minus 5. So now you have to multiply this 2 into 1 minus 1 into 2. Now what you get? Same thing, so 0. Now cofactor of A13, then you delete this item, 2 1 1 3, 2 1 1 3, sign is plus, plus minus plus, plus minus plus. So now 2 into 3, multiply this 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now cofactor of 2 1, 2 1 means this element is 2, this element is 2. So this you have to delete this and this row and this. So the 1 1 3 1, 1 1 3 1. Now multiply 1 into 1 minus 3 into 1. So minus 1 minus 3. This is minus of minus 2. This is plus 2. Now A22 means you have to forget this and this row. Then 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, that means and sign is plus. So 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1, this is 0. Now A23, 2 3 this much, so you have to forget this and this, you have to forget this row, second row and third column element, second row and third column element. That means 1 1 1 3, 1 1 3, and sign is minus, because plus minus plus minus plus minus, so minus there, and 1 into 3 minus 1 into 1, that means yes, that you can write 1 3 1 and this is the assignment for you. Okay, I think you understand this cofactor very simple way and very easy trick is that how you find out the minor and use the appropriate sign, then you can easily get the answer of this cofactor. And definitely this is all question in the every year of the board exam. So kindly watch this video again and again. If there any doubt, you can ask.